put it on your bread. And you get some peanut butter. Put it on your bread. Go back. Go ahead. Put it on your bread. And whatever kind of, you can put more after, okay? You want more, you can add it later, okay? And the peanut butter, boys, smooth or crunchy, help yourselves. And your yummy, yummy sandwich of Grandma's homemade jam.
I want smooth.
Okay. Let's fold it over and pick it up and start eating. Okay, pick it up and start eating. Say yum, yum, yum.
Show me,
Okay.
show me, show me.
Yummy, isn't it? That's yummy.
Stay there.
Good boys.
Eston, you have raspberry and chunky. Caleb, you have strawberry and smooth. Out of
Right.
2 jars. The first jar is raspberry and peach jam in the same jar. The second jar is smooth and chunky peanut butter in the same jar. Go ahead, enjoy, boys.
It's yummy, isn't it, huh? Grandma's yummy jam, homemade jam.
Pretty
I
cool.
like it. I like it too.
Pretty cool.
Very tasty.
All out of the same jar. Nothing goes to waste. No extra jars to put in recycling.